Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, Karen Norwood Travel. This weekend we've decided to go to Florence Marina State Park, and it's in Omaha, Georgia. So we're going to check this state park out and let you know how it is. So I figured since we're driving along, I would give you some details about Florence Marina State Park in Omaha, Georgia. They sit on a 45,000 acre lake called Walter F. George. If you love water sports, this is definitely the place to go. They have boat ramps, fishing piers. They have a deep water marina that they say has 66 slips to rent, 7 cottages, 8 efficiency units, and then a full complete campground. The whole campground is 173 acres, and it does have a really nice picnic shelter as well. The campground is just one big giant loop, and I will say it's kind of parking lot style, so not our favorite, but really quiet, and there is no internet service at the campsite, so that could be a plus or a minus for you. So here's our little campground. This park is a little bit tighter on space. So this is kind of our whole campsite right here. And then you see where we have our door. We always try and put our door right across from where the picnic table and everything is. But I mean, they've got a grill and a nice fire pit and everything. So I mean, it's nice. It is small though. But I'll try and show you more of the campsite and campground as we go. They even have a fish cleaning station in the campground. So I try and let y'all see all aspects of the campsites. And this one is very nice. They have an indoor laundry center, but it is really big. I mean, they've got 4 machines, which is unusual. Usually you only get one of each. And then they have this cute little area over here that's got books, and that's not uncommon to see in campgrounds. People are very generous and honest, and they'll leave things you take and you leave, and they've even got a puzzle. I think that's cute, but I wanted to show you guys that there is a really nice laundry area here. They also had 5 shower stalls and 5 restroom facilities for you to use, which is a lot for this small a campground. I thought I'd give y'all a closer look of the Florence State Park's little putt-putt course that they have. Most of the state parks are going to have putt-putt courses. I don't know why, but they sure do. We walked up to the clubhouse, and basically it's just a big area I bet you can rent for different events. Has a pretty fireplace and then a whole bunch of windows. So probably for some meetings or retreats. It's pretty good size. I think you could do a nice little wedding in here, or maybe a big birthday party, something like that. And then I'm gonna scroll up so y'all can see the pretty ceilings. It's a nice big room, very pretty. Lots of beautiful windows. Isn't that gorgeous? Great big industrial kitchen that you can use. So I think this would be awesome for an event up here. That's a lot of room. Yeah. Very nice. And of course there's bathrooms in this building as well.